tickets, please. For the Gadam, adults and 2 children.
This is a huge lion.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Daily. I'm David.
And I'm Emma. Today we are going to the zoo.
Yes, the zoo. We love animals. Emma, do you like animals?
Oh, yes, David. I love animals. I love animals because they are beautiful. Animals are interesting.
Right. Animals are beautiful and interesting.
What about you, David? Do you like animals?
Yes, I do. I like animals because they are amazing. Each animal is different. Some animals are big, some animals are small. Some animals are fast, some animals are slow.
Exactly. Big and small. That's right. Wow, that's so true. What animals do you think of when you say big animals?
Well, I think of elephants. Elephants are very big. I also think of whales. Whales are huge.
Yes. And what about small animals? I love small animals too.
Oh, yes. Small animals are cute. I think of cats and dogs. They are small and friendly.
I also think of rabbits. Rabbits are small and they jump. And what about fast animals?
Fast animals? I think of horses. Horses are fast. They can run very fast.
And cheetahs. Cheetahs are the fastest animals in the world. They are amazing.
Okay, everyone, let's go to the zoo. Emma, we need to buy tickets first. Look, Emma, there's the zoo entrance. I can see the big zoo sign.
Wow, the sign says Welcome to City Zoo. I'm so excited, David.
Me too. But first, we need tickets. There's the ticket office. I can see the line.
Yes, we need tickets. Hello, excuse me. How much are the tickets?
The tickets are $20 for adults. Do you want adult tickets?
$20 each. Okay, we want 2 tickets, please. Yes, we want adult tickets. Do you have a map of the zoo?
Here you go. 2 adult tickets and a free zoo map. That's $40 total.
Thank you. Here's the money. $40. Perfect. Thank you so much. And thank you for the map. This is very helpful.
Great. Now we have tickets. Let's go inside the zoo.
Yes, let's go inside. I'm excited to see the animals.
Me too. Look, Emma, there's the entrance gate. And here's the map of the zoo. Let me open it.
Oh, yes, a map. This is helpful. I can see all the animals. There are lions, elephants, monkeys, giraffes, zebras, and more. Where do you want to go first?
Let's go see the lions first. I love lions.
Perfect. Lions are amazing. Let's walk to the lion area.
Great. I see the lion area is to the left. Let's follow this path. Look, there are trees and flowers along the way.
Yes, the zoo is beautiful. I can hear birds singing. And look, there are other people walking too. Everyone is excited.
Wow, look, Emma. There's the lion. He's sitting under a big tree in the shade.
Oh my, the lion is so big, really big. Look at his beautiful mane. The lion's mane is so thick and golden. Only male lions have manes like that.
That's right. The mane makes him look like a king. Lions are called the king of animals. Do you know why?
I think because they are so strong and powerful. And look at his paws. His paws are huge.
Yes, and his paws have sharp claws. The claws help lions climb and hunt. But don't worry, we are safe here behind the fence.
Oh, look, the lion is moving. He's standing up now. Wow, he's even bigger when he stands.
Yes, the lion is big and strong, And look at his body. The lion has powerful muscles in his legs and shoulders. He walks so gracefully.
Right, big and strong. The lion has big muscles. And look at his eyes. Lions have yellow eyes. They're so bright and alert. He's looking around at everything.
And listen to that sound. The lion is making a loud noise.
Yes, that's called a roar. Lions roar very loud.
A roar. That's right. Emma, do you think the lion is dangerous?
That's a good question. Is the lion dangerous?
Well, lions can be dangerous in the wild, but here in the zoo, we are safe.
Exactly. In the zoo, there is a big fence. The fence keeps us safe.
Right. The fence is there for safety, so we can look at the lion, but we are safe.
The lion is beautiful too. Look at his golden fur.
Yes, beautiful golden fur. Lions are really beautiful animals.
Okay, what animal should we see next?
Let's go see the elephants. I want to see the elephants.
Great idea. Let's walk to the elephant area.
Wow, Emma, look at that elephant family. There's a big mommy elephant and a baby elephant too. They're both huge.
Oh my goodness, the elephant is so big, even bigger than the lion. Oh my, a mommy and baby. The baby elephant is smaller, but still very big. Even the baby is bigger than us.
Yes, and look how different elephants are from lions. Elephants have gray skin, not golden fur like lions.
Right, and elephants have thick, wrinkled skin. You can see all the wrinkles and lines on their skin. It's so different from smooth lion fur.
Yes, the elephant is bigger than the lion. Much bigger.
Right, the lion is big, but the elephant is bigger.
And look how tall the elephant is. The elephant is very tall.
Yes, very tall. The elephant is taller than us. Much taller.
Look at the elephant's trunk. The trunk is so long and flexible. See how the mommy elephant is using her trunk to pick up hay?
The trunk is amazing. Elephants use their trunk to eat and drink. And now she's giving some hay to the baby. The baby elephant is learning from mommy. That's so sweet.
Look at their legs. Elephant legs are like tree trunks. They are so thick and strong. They need strong legs to carry their heavy bodies. That's right. The trunk is like a hand for elephants.
And look at those big ears. The elephant has huge ears that move like fans. Lions have small ears, but elephants have giant ears.
The ears help the elephant stay cool. Very smart.
And watch how slowly the elephants walk. Lions walk fast and gracefully, but elephants walk slowly and carefully. Each step is heavy. So let's compare all our animals. The lion is big and strong with golden fur and a beautiful mane.
Right. The elephant is bigger and taller than the lion, with gray wrinkled skin and the long trunk. Emma, listen. Do you hear that sound? It sounds like laughter.
Oh, yes, I hear it too. It's coming from over there. Let's go look.
Wow, look, Emma, it's the monkeys. There are so many monkeys playing together.
They are so different from lions and elephants. Monkeys are small and they move so fast.
Yes, and look how they swing from branch to branch. Lions walk on the ground. Elephants walk on the ground, but monkeys swing in the trees.
And their tails. Look at their long tails. They use their tails to help them balance and swing. Lions don't have long tails like this.
Look, two monkeys are playing together. They are chasing each other and making happy sounds. Monkeys love to play.
David, what is that tall animal over there? I can see it above the trees.
Oh, wow, that's a giraffe. Let's go see the giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world.
Amazing! The giraffe is so tall. Taller than elephants, taller than lions, much taller than monkeys.
And look at the giraffe's neck. The neck is so long. The long neck helps the giraffe eat leaves from tall trees.
And the giraffe has beautiful patterns. Look at all those brown spots on yellow fur. Lions have golden fur. Elephants have gray skin, but giraffes have spots.
Look how gracefully the giraffe moves. Even though it's so tall, it walks so smoothly, and its legs are so long and thin.
Every animal is different and special. Lions, elephants, monkeys, and giraffes are all beautiful in their own way. The monkeys are small and fast. They swing in trees with their long tails.
And the giraffes are the tallest of all, with long necks and beautiful spotted patterns. Absolutely. Now let's practice some important animal words. Emma, can you say the word big? Let's start with our first word.
Big. B-I-G. Big. The elephant is big.
Good. Everyone repeat after Emma. Big. Big.
Now let's use big in sentences. The lion is big. The elephant is big. Can you make a sentence with big?
Good practice. Remember, big means large in size. Let's try the opposite word. Small. Small means not big.
Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. The monkeys are small. Practice with me. The monkeys are small. Strong. Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. The lion is strong.
Great. Everyone say strong. 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 Now let's practice strong in sentences. The lion is strong. The elephant is strong too. Both animals are strong.
Fast. Fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. The monkeys are fast. They move fast from tree to tree.
The opposite of fast is slow. Slow. S-L-O-W. Slow. Elephants are slow. They walk slow and careful.
Dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S. Dangerous.
Lions can be dangerous in the wild, but not dangerous in the zoo.
Right. Now let's say beautiful. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful.
Animals are beautiful. Lions are beautiful too. Elephants are beautiful too.
Last word is tall. Tall. T-A-L-L. Tall. Elephants are tall. Now let's use tall in more sentences. Elephants are tall. Giraffes are very tall. Giraffes are the tallest animals.
Long. L-O-N-G. Long. The elephant's trunk is long. The giraffe's neck is long. The monkey's tail is long.
Loud. Loud. L-O-U-D. Loud. Lions roar loud. The lion's roar is very loud.
Perfect. Let's say all our animal words together. Big, small, strong, fast, slow, dangerous, beautiful, tall, long, loud.
Big, small, strong, fast, slow, dangerous, beautiful, tall, long, loud. Great job, everyone! You learned so many words.
Now it's time for you to practice speaking. I have a question for you. What is your favorite animal?
Yes! Think about your favorite animal. Is it a lion? Is it an elephant? Think carefully. Take your time. Maybe your favorite animal is a tiger, or a bear, or a penguin. So many animals to choose from.
Maybe your favorite animal is a dog, or a cat, or a bird.
Tell us in the comments. Write, "My favorite animal is," and then write your animal.
Here's another question for you. Which animal do you think is the most beautiful? Is it the lion with golden fur?
Or maybe the giraffe with beautiful spots, or the elephant with its wise eyes. Tell us which animal you think is most beautiful.
A lion is big and strong.
Good practice. Now try describing an elephant. An elephant is big and tall. Can you try that?
Monkeys are small and fast.
Giraffes are tall and beautiful.
Here's a fun question. If you could be any animal for one day, which animal would you choose? Would you be a strong lion?
Or a tall giraffe? Or a fast monkey swinging in trees? Think about it and write your answer in the comments.
Last question. What sound do you think each animal makes? Lions roar. What do elephants do? What do monkeys do? Here's another question for you. Do you like lions or elephants more?
Think about it. Lions are big and strong. Elephants are bigger and tall.
Both animals are beautiful. Which one do you like more?
Write in the comments. Say, "I like lions," or "I like elephants," or "I like both."
We love reading your comments. It helps you practice English.
Well, what an amazing day at the zoo. We had such a wonderful time exploring and learning with you today.
We saw lions with their golden manes, elephants with long trunks, playful monkeys swinging in trees, and tall giraffes with beautiful spots.
And we learned so many new words. We learned big, small, strong, fast, slow, tall, long, loud, dangerous, and beautiful.
Remember, learning English is like exploring a zoo. Every new word is like discovering a new animal. Be curious and keep exploring.
Here's our best learning tip. Practice English every day, just like animals practice their skills every day. Even 5 minutes helps. Try describing animals you see. When you see a dog, say, "The dog is small." When you see a tree, say, "The tree is tall." Practice everywhere.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Even baby animals make mistakes when they're learning. Mistakes help you learn and grow. We believe in you. You're doing great. And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Daily. We have new adventures waiting for you every week.
Next week, we might visit the beach, or maybe the farm, or even the space station. So many exciting places to learn English together.
Remember, you are amazing English learners. Keep watching, keep practicing, and keep having